Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Trim with Mint or Ynab. Do you want to combine Trim's smart features with your favorite budgeting apps like Mint or Ynab? Well, here's a quick guide. First, open the Trim app and navigate to Settings or Integrations. There, find Mint or Ynab in the list of supported apps and tap to connect. You're going to be asked to log into your Mint or Ynab account securely. Once connected, Trim will synchronize your transaction data, budgets, and savings goals with your budgeting apps automatically. This means that any spending insights, subscription tracking, or bill negotiation Trim provides will complement your Mint or Ynab budgeting workflow. If you see Mint, you'll see Trim's updates reflected in your spending categories. If you use Ynab, Trim's data will help keep your budget aligned with your actual spendings. To disconnect, just go back to integrations in Trim and unlink the app. And that's it. Trim and your budgeting app working together to give you better financial control. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to synchronize Trim with Google Calendar for bill reminders. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.